But we get some brand new information to share as well. Over the course of this year, Canada is going to be developing a specific stream for some of the world's most highly talented people that will be able to come to Canada to work for tech companies, whether they have a job offer or not. Fifth, we are going to be launching a digital nomad strategy, which is going to allow people who have a foreign employer to come work in Canada for up to 6 months, live in communities in this country, and spend money in communities in this country. And should they receive a job offer while they're here, we're going to allow them to continue to stay and work in Canada.
So that was the new announcement that was made at the Coalition Conference in Toronto, Canada by Canadians' Minister for Immigration and Citizenship, Sean Fraser. That was just made yesterday. If you're watching this, it was just recently made. And this is good news for everyone who wants to go work in Canada, and especially H1B specialty visa holders in the United States who are now stranded and are forced to go back to their home country. So let's first dissect the first part of this new visa arrangement that was introduced by Canada. So we all know that in the last 3 years, tech companies in the United States went on sort of like a hiring binge where they just hired a lot of people, and over the last 1.5 years they've been laying off people so much that a lot of people are now forced to go back to their home countries if they cannot secure any employment within a short period of time. So Canada has recognized this and are now opening up a pathway for H1B visa holders in the United States to apply for employment or to come to Canada for a 3-year work visa. As long as you can secure employment in Canada, you are able to come work in Canada. And also dependents will receive a 3-year temporary resident visa in Canada as well. So that is good news for a lot of H1B visa holders in the United States. And there's a limited number of spots open. I believe it's 10,000 spots to start with. So it's going to be very competitive, especially as there are over 200,000 H1B visa holders in the United States currently right now. So it's going to be quite competitive, but we expect it to be exciting news for a lot of H1B visa holders. And in other news as well, Canada is coming up with a new digital nomad strategy that allows anyone with foreign employer to come live and work in Canada for up to 6 months. And that is not all. If you are working and living in Canada within that 6 months and you receive an employment offer from a Canadian company, Canada will allow you to continue living and working in Canada. Now, we all know that Canada is starved for talent. In fact, this statement made by the former Research in Motion CEO, the company that used to make the now defunct BlackBerry, Jim Bosley. He made a comment. He said, Canadian companies are starved for talent, and the reality is we're not currently training enough. And the announcements today are such a breakthrough and such a game changer. So this is such a game changer for the Canadian economy. Of course, this is going to stimulate the economy a lot, bringing in high-level talent, experts and professionals into the economy. And this is such a good news for digital nomads as well. So for the H1B visa holder applications, it is going to be open as of July 16th, 2023. So if you are looking to apply, if you're watching this as of July 16th, 2023, it's already open. So you can go onto the IRCC website. I'll leave a link to it down in the description. And also, this is still developing news, so I want to encourage you to do your own due diligence. I am not an immigration expert at all. This is just me bringing you news, and hopefully you can find some help in this video as well. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will be doing a lot of research and answering questions in the comment section down below. And if you have any, leave them down there. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.